how to fix iTunes error 1110 on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. This error basically means that your iPhone or iPad does not have enough storage space to complete a software update or restore. So, it is a space issue and not a hardware fault. So the first fix for this is free up storage. So launch the settings application and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Further, delete large files or offload unused apps or remove downloaded media. You can also try at least 5 to 10 GB to safely run updates or restores. The next fix is to use iTunes or Finder to update instead of restore. So connect your device to your Mac or PC and then open iTunes for Windows or open Finder for Mac OS. Now select your device and then tap on the update option and not the restore option. This attempts to install iOS without erasing any data. The next fix is to use DFU mode for force update. Put your iPhone or iPad into DFU mode, and once iTunes or Finder detects it, choose the update button. This method reloads the system software at a deeper level than normal recovery mode. And lastly, the last fix is to erase and restore as last. So, back up your iPhone if possible and then use iTunes or Finder and tap on the Restore iPhone option. This will erase all data and afterwards set up as new or restore from a previous backup. To prevent this in future, you can regularly check your storage and keep at least 10% of total capacity free when updating iOS. So, this is how you can fix iTunes error 1110. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.